log into the portal. Your user ID is DSG, and then your employee number. And type in whatever password you created for it. And click the first one that pops up. On this myself, you go to my management. You click on scheduler and then request. Then you click the green add sign. And then you choose paid time off. You choose the days or day that you want off. And then you hit save. And then that will send me the request and I will approve it. And then your vacation time will be, you can see it on here, it'll be approved.